Hello guys, this is Vijay Gupta. Welcome to my channel. Today we gonna talk about blockchain and how blockchain is the next generation of internet. Blockchain technology is the future of the internet, and it's time to get on board. From secure transactions to decentralized networks, this revolutionary technology is changing the way we interact online. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of blockchain and explore how it's set to change the game for everything from cryptocurrency to online security. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the next generation of the internet. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction is added, it's added to the next block in the chain. This creates a permanent and unchangeable record of all transactions, making it incredibly secure. How is blockchain different from other forms of digital ledgers? One of the main differences between blockchain and other forms of digital ledgers is that blockchain is decentralized. This means that there is no central authority controlling the network and no single point of failure. Instead, the network is maintained by a network of computers, or nodes, that work together to validate and record transactions. This makes it much more secure and resistant to hacking or tampering. How is blockchain used in cryptocurrency? Blockchain technology is the backbone of many popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These digital currencies use blockchain to record transactions and create new units of currency. The decentralized nature of blockchain makes it the perfect platform for these currencies, as it eliminates the need for a central authority to control the money supply. It also makes it very difficult to counterfeit or double-spend digital currency. How is blockchain the next generation of the internet? Blockchain technology is not just about cryptocurrency, it has the potential to revolutionize many other industries as well. From online security to supply chain management, the decentralized and secure nature of blockchain makes it the perfect platform for a wide range of applications. With blockchain, we can create a truly decentralized internet where data and information are controlled by the people, not by governments or corporations. What are some potential use cases for blockchain in the future? There are countless potential use cases for blockchain technology, but here are a few examples. 1. Online voting systems that are secure and tamper-proof. 2. Supply chain management systems that are transparent and efficient. 3. Decentralized social networks that are controlled by the users, not by the platform. 4. Medical record systems that are secure and accessible to authorized parties. Conclusion. Blockchain technology is the future of the internet, and it's time to start learning about it. Whether you're interested in cryptocurrency, online security, or just want to know what the next generation of the internet will look like, blockchain has something to offer. So stay informed, stay curious, and get ready for the future of the internet with blockchain technology. Thanks for watching. Milt here next videos. My bye bye guys.